Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today, out of the pack, speed pick of an Abus 54 Ti 15, hopefully a speed pick. So let's see. Oh, this is another tiny one. Kind of broke another titanium, I believe. Let's see what looks. No, I don't remember. I broke something. So let's get this one on whites. Titalium. No, it was not a Abus, it was a Burgwächter. Shitty lock. This fucked me up. Auto Titan. So, out of a pack pick worked. Let's get the key to reset. Little thingy here. Let's try to speed pick it. Oh, it's a little slow. Let's give it another 3 or 2 or 4 tries. I think I can do better. Alright, one more, and then it should be good. I have to see which one was the fastest, but that was out of the box 54 Ti 15 Abus speed picked. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.